Hello and welcome to our video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add your VAT ID to your account. Log into our panel. Click Company on the sidebar and navigate to the VAT section of your company's profile. Click on the Add VAT ID button. A dialog box will appear where you can enter your VAT ID. Enter your VAT ID, and once done, click on the Add button to add it. Please ensure that your company name in our system matches the registered company name exactly. This is important because our system will automatically verify your VAT ID with the data found on the European Commission page. We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.